let's go. First video is all about TikTok moves. So I'm giving you these moves because TikTok is the thing right now. A whole nother story about how I don't agree with some of their practices, but it's all good. Gotta stay on trend. So I'm gonna teach you some of the moves, yeah? First one we're doing is woah. When you wanna do the woah, you grab to one side. This is like a normal woah. You can woah in different spaces, but like you grab to one side and hit the other one like woah, yeah? And when you hold it, you give a little shake to the shoulders and the head like whoa, yeah? So you grab, hold, yeah? Grab, hold. Grab it, hold it. So you can go like whoa, whoa, yeah? That's the woah. Second move is eat it, super easy. Eat it. So you're leaning forward and eating something like this. You can eat it like this, so eat it. Third move, hip swing. You go swing, swing. All you want to do is use your feet slightly and just push your hips side to side. Swing, swing, yeah? Should we recap? We've got woah. Eat it, hip, swing. Next move we've got is, I can't remember what this one's called, but I'll call it like body roll. So you're going behind the head, roll. Behind the head, roll. Two more, behind the head, roll. One more, behind the head, roll. Then, last one, super simple, clap. Everything to TikTok is very forward, yeah? So you're going clap like this, yeah? Let's repeat from the top. Woah. Eat it, hip swings, body roll. Here, clap. Hey, we are TikTok geniuses. See you on TikTok.